stunning 3-bedroom home in Upper Bloor West Village. I'm Tracy Logan with the High Park Real Estate Group, and welcome to our new listing at 482 St. John's Road. Let's go inside and take a look. When you first walk into the home, you have this enclosed front porch with heated floors, custom storage, and a great place to hang up your coat and put away your shoes. This stunning main floor features ash hardwood floors, a gas fireplace, pot lights, and this living room, dining room, kitchen space is entirely open, perfect for entertaining and relaxing with family. This custom chef's kitchen features a sit-up Caesarstone countertop, Bosch stainless steel appliances, and a bright window overlooking the backyard. This pantry off your kitchen features an additional sink, a wine fridge, a ton of storage, and walks out to your beautiful backyard. This fully fenced, low-maintenance backyard features a custom deck, a storage shed, and is perfect for hosting family gatherings and barbecues all summer long. This incredible finished basement features heated concrete polished floors, a beautiful rec space, a laundry room, a 4-piece bathroom, pot lights, and above-grade windows. The oak staircase leads up to the second floor where the hardwood floors continue. We have a 3-piece family bathroom and 3 bedrooms. This spacious master features his and her closets and a bright south-facing window. 482 St. John's Road is completely finished, turnkey, and move-in ready. We're steps to great schools, the TTC, and a short walk to Bloor West Village and the Junction. Thank you for joining us on our tour. If you have any questions or would like to arrange a private showing, please reach out to us.